Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I have a little unboxing from my buddy David. I've been friends for a long time now. Talk on Instagram. He said he wanted to send me a little box of goodies. So that's what we are looking at right now. All right, so although I'm around the house today, I have a TacKnives knife for my EDC. Let's go ahead and get into this box here. Seems pretty filled, so I'm kind of careful sticking to the top here so I don't dig on an angle. There we go. Alright. So, looks like we have a note right on top. It says, thank you, Jeff, for all of the great videos, and I hope this care package brightens your day, from David Jones. P.S. The crab. I think it's crab. The crab races, is that right? Crab races are as goofy as they sound. You can show and read this on camera. Okay. All right. I don't know if I accidentally cut into that corner. Just trying to stay topical there. All right. Crab races. Let's see if that's correct. Oh, this literally is a button for crab racing. How about that? All right. So, oh wait. That makes more sense. Sometimes I read something and it doesn't really register. I totally get that. You know, if you're somewhere, I guess, by a beach or something, and everyone has a little crab with a number, and they're in a row, like you ever see like the baby races or turtle races, so that makes total sense. So this is Westport Grayland Chamber of Commerce 2019 32nd Annual Crab Races. Okay, that's something that I'd get down with that if I had the opportunity to pick a crab and race it. I think that sounds kind of fun. All right, so, wow, there's a bunch of stuff in here. All right, so where do we start? A little surprise box. Oh, okay. I've had these before. This one looks like it needs some batteries, probably 3 AAAs. Just a little flashlight, yep. Run-of-the-mill flashlight. Can never have too many lights. That is for sure. Put that off to the side. Okay. Yeah, looks like some treats here. That's it. Apples and strawberries. Mini fruit bar. No sugar added. 60 calories. All right, that's cool. Little snack bar. So we have another one. Apples and strawberries. So is that really all that's it? Yeah, ingredients. Apples and strawberries. That sounds great. What are these? Coca-Cola collection. Wow, these look old. What are the date on these guys? This is super. Whoa, drop one. Hang on. Man down. All right, so trying to see if we can find a date on here. Part of me doesn't even want to open these. I love stuff like this. 1994. Ooh, I don't know. Should I open these? Part of me wants to just keep them in the packs. That is super cool. Series 3, they're both from Series 3. Special sunset or subsets and holograms. Says search for the gold. Collector's cards. I am really on the fence of whether or not to open these. You guys tell me, should I open them? See what's inside or not? I'm going to post a comment down in the comment section, and if you want me to open them, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then maybe give it a thumbs down. Who knows? But we'll see. We'll see if a lot of people want me to check this out. That'll be a separate video maybe. But like I said, part like the collector in me wants to just keep them, you know, sealed because it's kind of cool. But I don't know. I am kind of curious. So yeah, let's see what else we got. We got some high chews. If you never had high chews, these are amazing. Definitely, probably, I guess I could say my favorite fruit snack. I don't know. I have a lot of favorites. I love food a little too much. But anyway, yeah, these high chews, if you've never had them, they are absolutely delicious. What makes it really nice, not only do they taste really good, but the texture is just unique. I don't think I've ever had anything quite like this as far as texture, but we got a couple mangoes here. Looks like we have a green apple. Very good stuff. All right, then looks like we got some cards here. Very cool. Bourbon Supreme Rare. The American Distilling Company, New York, New York. Very cool. Gotta crack these open and get a peek on that. These are neat. Like the back there. Classy. Interesting joker. Yeah, pretty cool. So awesome. I'll see if Christina wants to add this to her card collection, or if not, it will go into my card collection. But I love stuff like this. And yes, eventually, I'm sure I'll do a video showing all the cards, decks of cards that we have. But yeah, very cool. All right, so, ooh, wow, there's a bunch more high chews. I can definitely get down with those. What is this? Ooh, Bumblebee. You know, I see Bumblebee, I always think of Jim Carrey. Bumblebee tuna. I don't know why. 90s kid, I guess. All right, so this is lemon pepper. It feels like there's a fork in here. All right, cool. Random snack or lunch. Definitely get down with that. I do like tuna. So we have World's Finest Chocolate. We Fund Commodities. 3 winners. I don't know if I've had this before. So we have dark chocolate and we have WF Crisp. All right, milk chocolate with the crisp rice. Interesting. This looks like maybe a fundraiser. That's kind of cool. I dig that. Then we got a little Hershey's bar. Can't go wrong with that. And there's a cool knife in here, which I'm going to get to last. So what is this? Oh, a nice little lure here. Definitely going to do some fishing this year. I definitely lacked it. I lacked fishing last year, just one thing after another, did not get out on the water, and I'm very much hoping to do that this year, really make up for it. So this will go right in the tackle box. Very much appreciated. We got a couple things in here. Ooh, one I'm very excited about, which you guys will see a separate video on for sure, and that is this Trough Hot Sauce. So everyone talking about this has been super, super popular. And I was actually going to buy a bigger bottle, but it's cool that he has a little bottle here. But yeah, I'm going to do a separate hot sauce video on this. All right, it's obviously black truffle infused or flavored hot sauce. And this was used, I think it was a mixture of this and something else to make a special sauce for that, that special burger that I did a video on not too long ago. But yeah, so if you had truff sauce, of course, you can let me know your opinions in the comment section, but I will definitely do a separate video on that soon. And what is this? Toxic waste. Hazardously sour candy. I've seen this before. I don't think I've ever had this. Candy Dynamics. So this is going to be super, super sour candy. It says, how long can you keep one in your mouth? 60 seconds is full toxic head or toxy head. 45 seconds is a Toxie wannabe, 30 seconds crybaby, 15 seconds total wuss. So we'll see about that. But I like sour candy too. So that is super cool. And the last thing here is a knife. All right. So coming in from the right to left, we got a little kitchen knife here. Looks like fully serrated. Very cool. It says boatlaw.com, so this one happens to just be branded, but this seems like a Victorinox knife. All right, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not seeing the Victorinox branding on it, but I have one identical to this, so I'd be shocked if it wasn't. Gotta get this sticker off there. But yeah, Boat Law. So someone paid to have advertising on here. And yes, you can see from the packaging here, it is a Victorinox knife. If you guys have not had one of these, this will completely change your kitchen experience, even if you do not know how to sharpen. These things come so ridiculously thin and sharp as it is, and the serrations really help in the longevity of that edge. Yeah, and these are super cheap. So if you, like I said, and they're very lightweight, they're just simple to clean. So if you haven't used one of these, this is fantastic, especially with a serrated blade for things like, you know, slicing tomatoes and different veggies and stuff. But yeah, David, thank you so much. This was extremely generous to you. It was really nice. You know, of course, me and my wife are going to enjoy these little treats here, and you guys have to let us know in the comment section, do you want me to open these and see what's inside? Because I'm intrigued. It says, you know, search for the gold. I'm all about the gold. You guys know that. So let's see. some more information on here. Coca-Cola's Series 3 collector's cards. This 100 card collection includes copies of original artwork and collectibles that capture the history of the most recognized company in the world, Coca-Cola. Collect all the cards plus 2 exciting subsets. So gold foil stamped Santas, 10 in the collection. The odds are 1 in 12 in a pack. The polar bear holograms, 4 in the collection. The odds are 1 in 72 in the pack. So do we have a polar bear hologram or a gold foil Santa in one of these packs? I don't know. I'm very intrigued. I'm very, very intrigued. So you guys let me know in the comment section if we're going to open that or not. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. And thanks again, David. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.